Almost there. Just need to get this inside. That's better. Stay warm. All right, this way. Just gotta find something suitable. I'm close, I can feel it. Fresh tracks. They go deep. Looks like a good sign. It's that way. I'll set up a watch here. It's the best cover in this whole damn place. All right, here it is. Looks weathered but solid. Should keep the snow out at least. Let's see if it's safe to set up camp. Anyone here? Just the wind. Okay, it's safe. Fire's ready. Need to get some water before dark. Oh. Let's go, heavy lift. Almost there, keep it together. Don't let it die, Leo. Get those logs in. Just a few more steps. Success, they're in.
Hello? Is someone there? I heard something.
Fire, must keep moving. Stay focused. Over here, Leo. Find something to douse it. I see it. Stand clear. Almost there. Keep pushing. All right, no movement. Clear. I'll check inside. Keep an eye on the perimeter. Keep pushing. Target is 3 clicks north. Conditions are worsening.
Tăia spesă sumănă de mirucu sculimobi, mânărgu betavile. Tas nepir tablasnel ma baverne vitini.
Time to warm up and eat. Looks like a good one. time to close this one. Another adventure awaits. Fresh prints. Coyote, maybe. Tracking conditions are perfect. I think it's clear. Looks abandoned, but safe. Nothing moves. Just the wind. Don't take chances. What do you see? The wood is dry, perfect for kindling. We'll have a fire soon. Keep these smaller pieces together. All right, that should do it. Looks like we're set for the night. Time to warm up and eat something good. Oh, it smells great in here. Just needed a few more logs to get it going.